Your credit score goes up 20 points one month, then crashes down 30 points the next. Many people feel frustrated watching their score bounce like a yo-yo for no clear reason. But the truth is, there are reasons. And more importantly, there are ways to fix it. Today, I'm sharing 10 proven strategies that will help you stabilize your credit score once and for all. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's dive in. Strategy number 1. Keep your credit utilization low. You may be confused about the reason why your credit score changes so quickly. The reason is something sneaky. Actually, it depends upon how much credit you use. Your number can go up or down based on this one factor. You can think of it as the amount of cash you're using compared to the loan amount you have available. Your score will go down if you max out your credit cards, even if you pay them off later. That's what most people miss. It's good to keep your usage below 30%, but below 10%, that is where the magic takes place. If you can borrow $1,000, don't spend more than $100. The important thing is not how much money you have, but how well you spend it. This move changes your score so much that it's like night and day. Strategy number 2, never pay late, not even once. Life gets busy, let's face it. Sometimes you forget to pay a bill, but one late payment can hurt your credit score for months or even years. It's not a big deal. That's just how the system works. It's not okay to be late with a payment. Lenders see it as a huge red flag. It makes you look unreliable and quickly lowers your score. There is good news. This one can be avoided. Whatever it takes, set up scheduled payments, phone alerts, sticky notes, and so on. It's smart for some people to pay a few days early just to be safe. Once you start making payments on time every time, your credit score starts to build a strong base. Oh, and consistency. Credit bureaus love it when people do that. As long as you pay on time every time, that's the quiet power move that keeps your score steady. Strategy number 3, pay before the statement date. Most people feel good when they pay their credit card bill on time. That's not the whole story though. Credit bureaus don't care about when your bill is due. They care about when your date is, which is usually before the due date. On that date, your amount will be shown. If you wait until the statement closes, your high amount may already be shown even if you pay it off later. As a result, your grade drops and you're not sure what to do next. Instead, always pay off your amount before the due date on your statement. When they report your amount, it will be lower, which will make you look like a credit superstar. Even a small change in time can have a big effect. Strategy number 4, don't open too many accounts at once. You've probably seen those tempting credit card ads that say things like get 5% cash back or no interest for 12 months. Why not get more? Is an easy thing to think. The catch is that your score goes down every time you ask for new credit. Too many of these in a short amount of time can make you look like you need credit badly, even if that's not true. Your score goes down, lenders get scared, and all of a sudden, that little wave of new accounts turns into a headache. The better way to do it? Spread out the times you apply for loans. Try to only open 1 or 2 new accounts a year unless you have a clear plan. Lenders will see that you're careful and not a risk. Your credit report should show that you have been responsible with your money, not a bunch of new cards and credit requests. Strategy number 5, keep your old accounts open. The importance of time is one of the things that people get wrong about credit scores. It's very important how old your accounts are. It looks better on your credit report if you've had a line of credit open for a longer time. That's why it can hurt you to close an old credit card, even if you don't use it. Your score can go down because your average account age goes down and your total available credit goes down. Don't close that old shop card. Just leave it there. Use it once a year to keep it going and then pay it off. It improves your score a lot and doesn't cost anything. Strategy number 6, use multiple cards but rotate them. If you've got more than one credit card, here's a trick that only pros use: rotation. Don't just use one card all the time. Instead, every few months, put a small charge, like $5 or $10, on your other cards too. This keeps each account active, and activity keeps the account in good standing. Why does this matter? Because inactive cards can sometimes get closed by the lender, which shortens your credit history and lowers your available credit. But when you rotate usage and pay it off immediately, you stay in control. You're showing lenders you can handle multiple lines of credit without going into debt. Strategy number 7. Ask for credit limit increases. A lot of people find it awkward to ask for their credit limit to be raised, but they shouldn't. People believe it's a dangerous move or that it could lower their score. But if you do it right, it's one of the fastest ways to improve your credit score. You're not asking to spend more. Instead, you're asking for more credit, which drops your utilization rate. That's what makes it special. You also have nothing to lose if you ask for a higher limit without asking a hard question. Just call your credit card company, especially if you haven't missed a payment in a while. Most of the time, they'll raise your cap on their own. Strategy number 8. Become an authorized user. This is a bit of a cheat code, but it does work. Talk to a family member or friend who has a credit card and a good credit history. Ask them to add you as an authorized user on their card. The card is not needed at all. Their good credit behavior will show up on your report just because they have the account. It's an easy way to get a better grade, but you have to trust it. In the past, they needed to have paid their bills on time and kept their amounts low. Your score can go up in weeks if you do it right. It's like credit piggybacking, where you use their energy to build your own. Strategy number 9. Check your report for errors. A lot of people are being hurt by their credit report without even realizing it. A small mistake, like reporting a late payment or an account that isn't yours when it isn't, can really hurt your score. So it's not just a good idea to check your credit report often, it's necessary. Credit Karma and annualcreditreport.com are 2 places where you can get a free report. Read it one line at a time. Do not believe what you see if it seems strange. Most people think it will be hard to do. You can fix a simple mistake to raise your score and stop the random changes that keep happening. Strategy number 10. Keep a healthy mix of credit. This last plan doesn't get much attention, but it's very important. Lenders can see how well you handle different types of credit by looking at your credit mix. Still, it's fine to only have credit cards, but getting an installment loan, like a credit builder loan or a protected personal loan, can be very helpful. Why? Because it shows you can handle more than just credit that keeps coming back to you. It's like putting different skills on a resume for a job. Lenders want to see that you are not just one thing. You don't have to take on more debt than you need to, but having several smart, manageable credit types can help your score and keep it from going up and down too much. So if there is anything you missed, don't worry. I just created a free ebook called How to Build Perfect Credit and Keep It. Want to grab it? Just hit subscribe, then click the link in the description to download it instantly. Your credit journey starts now. Don't miss it.